I've been using the American Express Cobalt Card throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually worth it. This card has carved out a strong reputation in Canada, especially for people who spend a lot on dining, groceries, and travel. You earn 5x points on food and drinks, 3x on streaming, 2x on travel and transit, and 1x on everything else, which makes it one of the most rewarding everyday spending cards out there. The points can be redeemed flexibly through Amex Travel or transferred to hotel and airline partners, giving you solid value if you're into travel rewards. Plus, you get good insurance coverage and access to Amex offers, which often include decent cashback or discount deals. Now, the downsides. It charges a 2.5% foreign transaction fee, which stings if you travel often. It also isn't accepted everywhere. Amex just doesn't have the same merchant reach as Visa or MasterCard. And even though the rewards are great, the 5x earn rate is capped annually, so it's not unlimited. You also need a good credit score to qualify. And while the $12.99 monthly fee feels more digestible than a lump sum annual fee, it adds up. But overall, if you're based in Canada, spend a lot on food and travel, and want a card that pays you back generously for it, the Cobalt Card delivers. I hope this review helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.